Right, so the next video we'll be looking at now is how to create um a product flyer. A product flyer. Probably you own a restaurant and you want to advertise what you sell. You want to advertise the food or whatever you sell. Just have to, come over to Poster My Wall. Let's use Poster My Wall. This is not the only website that you can use of work. Just you have to know it from me. This is one of the easiest one you can work with. Let's wait for it to load. Okay. So just have to type product flyer. Let's check what it's going to bring out. Alright. There are so many things here. Just have to look for a stable one that you will use. Okay, let's work with this. Let's work with this one. Edit the design. This is a product flyer. Like you can check other templates. You can even write food flyer or restaurant flyer or kitchen flyer or drug. You can just search for it. It must not be product flyer. You just have to look for a particular product that you're venturing into. Then you check for templates that are there. You design into your suitings and every other thing. So this one is the one I'm going to choose now. This one of the product flyer. You have to type all these things. You have to change everything, the name of the company, everything. So let's start. Just have to check my company name. So my company is a group of companies. So this one in particular is now food. So that's why I just changed it to food. So it doesn't occupy much space. Let's adjust it. Just all right. Then my website. Just have to. I don't need to write my website. Just have to write my email. Put your email there, or you can put anything. Let's just put anything there. But if you're working for a company, for sure the company will. Yeah, if you're designing this for a company, they'll surely provide details they are going to fill in when you're designing it. Just have to reduce the size. Okay, then we adjust it. So there are so many things you can do on Poster My Wall. You can reduce the size of what you're doing, different type of things. Then let's change what the route here. All right, so this is it. You don't need to do much things here. See, I just changed it to my company name, the logo, and everything. If you want to change the picture, let's say I want to change this picture. I want to put banana or want to put another food, you can just delete it and import it from your gallery. So this is the product flyer. There is no much thing to do. I'm selling this food or I'm dealing in this meat and so on and so forth. So I designed the product flyer that I'll print out later if I want to give it to people to see what I sell. You can see it or you want to upload it, advert flyer or something like that. So this is it. What do I have to do? Just have to download it. So you have to download it. Alright, so it's on download right now. We're going to create another flyer so that I'll be able to like teach you guys much more things that you need to know. Because this one wasn't that distinct, like it's just few things that will change there. So you can just check it out in your gallery. This is it. And you notice that the poster on my wall is there. Some of these flyers, the poster on my wall might not show. Some of them, the poster on my wall might show. Just like the one we did, the business card we did, the poster on my wall was not there. But this one, the poster on my wall is here. What do you have to do? You just have to go over to your Pixel Lab. So check out Pixel Lab right now. Yeah. Then you click on the background. This is background. This I showed you guys this on our first video. This is where you get your background. So you click on it. Then it will be from your gallery. You get the back. You know why you have to use the back this image as your background is because you have to, get the size of the flyer. Because if you import this thing as a picture or a normal picture, it will just lead you to how will I say it? It just lead you to adjusting the size which you might not get. So that's why I use it as background so that the flyer will take the shape of the background then you start doing what you want to do. So click on it. You can see it that the flyer took the shape of the background. Then you just have to look for a shape. Get my shape. Sorry. I get my shape. This is it. Click on this plus sign up here. Then you get your shape. This is my shape. I just have to, yeah, decrease the size and all. I'll take it down here. I know this one is looking big, but we'll just work with it. Then next thing is I'll add the color of this, the color. So this is the color. I don't need to start looking for this color here. This color, the background color. What do I have to do? Just have to click on this plus sign. I'll pick on my drop pen. You can see it. I'll choose what I want. Yeah, this is it. Then you won't even notice that something happened. You can see what we did here. You will not even know there is a shape there. So this is it. You just have to save your project, save everything that you need to save as image, ultra, you adjust everything, then you are done with your product flyer. So go back to creating another product flyer because this was not that distinct. You have to look for much like the one that is, looking business like. So go back to our poster my wall. Let's check another one because this one I want to do another one. So all right, I just have to search for a design template. Let's look for restaurants because probably I'm selling food and I need a restaurant a flyer. So this is it. I have to, let me browse it because I'll be seeing so many designs, food designs and all these things that I can work on and edit it. So let's just keep scrolling till we find a suitable one that we can use. You can use this one, it's nice, but let's just check for more. There are so many designs here. You don't need to come and start worrying yourself. All right, let's go with this. Edit design. Okay, so this is our design. So we just have to like change so many things. You don't need just this. You have to change so many things there. So we'll start from the logo. If you don't have a stable logo that you can use to add to your design, you can just type something. Something like a letter. You can type a letter or you can type a word, something like that. But or you can just use a shape. You can just get a shape. Sorry. So let's move down. All right, so this is it. You just have to, you can just make, you can design the word that you want. You can make it to be italicized. You can see it. I'm utilizing it another thing so that it will be able to look like a logo for real, for real. Then this is it. You can see it. Oh, so sorry. Move this. Okay. Then I'll just change my, I can just write Mama Special Restaurant. It looks big. Huh? What have I done? Alright, so this is it. You can just get it. Since this is looking big, you have to reduce it. You reduce it in size. I know most of you be like, it's looking big. Let me delete what I wrote. To no, you don't need to delete it. You just have to like reduce it in size. You can see it. Reduce it in size. Adjust everything and everything to suit your taste. Yeah, and this is it. Then what else do you need? Okay, you can change the name of the food. I don't want pork. I want beef. Yeah. So just have to change it. All these things come together. I just have to change only one. So I don't want pork. This one I want okay, I want rice of then just rice. Variety of rice, yeah. Because you can have jollof rice, coconut rice, and so on. Then I don't want pork. I want beef. Yeah. Can write it then drinks. Nice. So we are done with it. Seems the rice took up the space. So just have to remove the variety and leave it like that. My customers will understand. So but if you want, you can still um adjust the size so it will look smaller. But let's just leave it like this because you don't need to waste much time. So just add it. Alright. Now it's correct. Then I just have to change my phone number and everything. Change it. Telephone number. You can write whatever you want to write. Correct. So you're done. Your free delivery inside the mall and every other thing. Let me just change the location. This is not what I want to write. I can just write um Kilimanjaro. Because everyone should know. Okay, let me write it at Chicken Republic. I can just write it there because everyone for sure will locate it. Okay. Nice. So this is it. So everybody be able to know where the thing is located. If it's big, you just have to like reduce the size and to suit what you're looking for. So we are done with it. You can see it. I've already designed my flyer. Just have to print it out and give people. You can even add this another symbol. This is what we have here. Can contact you and other things. Now you know you have a shop. You want people to know that you have a shop. This is what you're going to do. So just have to download it. Let's download it. So so we're downloading it right now. Let's download what we worked on. And our design is done. You just have to like check it out on your gallery. If the poster my wall logo or their mark is there, you just have to go over to your pixel lab like what we did, extract the color and everything. And I think the poster my wall is still there. Is there, yeah. So all we just have to do is to go over to our pixel lab and cover it so that it's not when someone's like it's not someone's distinct design or something like that. So this is it. You can also design this on Pixel Lab, but for now, for this free class, you just have to learn this basic. So we'll go over to Pixel Lab. That is where we'll go over to right now. All right, go over to Pixel Lab. That's one's a new one. Yeah. You go back to Pixel Lab from your gallery. I already told you why you shouldn't export it. Like I already told you why you shouldn't export it as a picture. It should be a background, not a picture. So this is it. It took the background. That's why um you have to always take it as a background and not a picture. So this is it. I just have to get the shape. The shape. And modify it so it's be looking so small. Like a size that can cover that poster my wall and not cover the design. So this is it. Alright. Then what else? You get the color. You know that this is a shape and there is no way that you can operate anything on the shape if you are in this background. You just have to go over to where object icon is. This particular one that is beside the shape. This one here. Yeah, you click on it, then you work on it. So I just have to go to color. I don't need to come and start looking for black color. Probably black color might not suit to this thing. You want that exact black color that they use there. Just have to go to your pin job and pick the color. Yeah. And you have it here. So this is it. No one even noticed that something was there. So this is how it's going to be. You download, like you save your message, you save your image and other things, then you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. See you on the next video.